Hello and welcome to Homespun 2020, a presentation by the Mill Museum and funded in part by the Last Green Valley. We're going to make some puppets. There are so many great ways to make puppets. You can use socks or cloth, paper bags or paper. And today, we're going to use wooden spoons or plastic spoons or sticks or something like that. I like to make wooden spoon puppets. So I've got some spoons here. Like I said, you could use a stick and other supplies that we need. You might want to use some paints or some magic markers or some nail polish. For hair, you can use yarn, of course, or maybe a hot scrubber to make gray hair for grandma. You need some pieces of fabric, perhaps, and you could use some ribbons, feathers. You're going to need some glue, and you're going to need some scissors. Okay, let's get started. So, the first thing is usually the face. Now, some people make puppets and they don't put any face at all. The face is blank. You've probably seen some dolls also. The face is left up to your imagination. Some people will use paint to make a face. This one has paint. Or you could use nail polish or markers. And this one has googly eyes. So if you had something like that, or you can make eyes out of white and black paper or colored paper. All right, so now we have eyes. Now, hair. Some people will use yarn to make the hair. This beautiful girl has orange braids. So that's one way to make the hair. Another way to make hair is with some paper. This is box packing, and it makes a very curly head right there. This one has some of the black pot scrubber and makes the hair for this man right here. All right, now we need some accessories. Here's a nice hat. And this fellow has some shades and a t-shirt and a little chain here for a necklace. And this guy has a hat and eyebrows and a mustache. And then these two ladies, this lady has a dress and her face is actually cut out of a magazine. There she is. And this is Queen Victoria. And here's Mona Lisa. You can cut out a face or draw a face and glue it on. Then you can add some clothing. So you can be as creative as you can with your spoon or your stick. You could also make a puppet theater out of a cardboard box. And you could paint it or cover it with cloth and ribbons. And now you have puppets in a puppet theater. And you're going to have a great time. Thanks for joining us again on Homespun 2020. This program presents ideas of activities and crafts that you can make at home using things that you might have around the house.